You can see the increasing chaos as the crowd rushes, as the crowd is rushing back toward, as the crowd is trying to rush back towards this part of the gate. You can see the water cannon being fired. The camera is trying to get it for you, and the crowd moving back over here. Must be thousands of people who are trying to basically make their way away from the water cannon and the tear gas. Some are trying to stay on, resisting the police. They're standing up in defiance. The sudden rush is getting the entire area to be cleared. This is the result of unrest, which has led the police to basically there you can see the water cannon approaching the crowd, the truck moving more towards this part of India Gate, disregardful of the TV crews, the journalists, all the equipment, the students and protesters who've gathered here, trying to basically make their voices heard. In this part of the field, the protest was completely peaceful, yet the water cannons are approaching the area. The crowds, as you can see, still defiant, putting the V sign up in the air, resisting the police attempt to try and clear the area. Cries of "We want justice" still rending the air as the water cannon now comes toward us, and the police, as you can see, beating a path. You can see the police officers in helmets and full riot gear coming here to try and clear the area. All over the grounds, people trying desperately to move away from them. It's been peaceful. It's been peaceful so far. No one is struggling, and there are no scuffles with the police at this end of the field that we can see. But the police are very determinedly, slowly moving here to clear the area. You can see the water now coming towards us. वो बाजू जाओ भाई, वो बाजू जाओ और आगे बढ़ो. या पानी. And now you can basically see the crowd attacking the police who are trying to beat them back. And now the peaceful moments that we talked about just earlier are now being lost as the crowds and the police are basically beginning to clash. Here comes the water cannon towards us and the camera. And disregarding the heavy equipment that the TV cameras have here, the police are continuing to spray water and lathi charge the area. There you can see on your cameras the police moving towards us, spraying water all over the area. You can see the water hitting us right now. They are trying to clear the area from us. The water coming down incessantly on us as some people are now beginning to fight back. They're resisting the police, and the police are basically indulging in clashes. You can see right in front of the camera. There is no clear path for people to go, and yet the police are beginning to beat without consideration of whether there are young children or women. There's a scene of complete chaos here as the police are even beating. You can see that they're even attacking television crews and television cameras. Regardless of our rights to be here, regardless of our ability to cover this, the police are continuing to close in on the area and move the crowds back towards the other end of India Gate. You can see in front of you the RAF forces and the police dismantling much of the equipment of the channel and the crews over here and trying to basically move. The water cannon is just a few feet away from all of us. You can see them spraying water all over the expensive equipment of the television crews, and the police are moving the people back towards this area without trying to clear a way for them. You can see the sticks in the air as they're beating down on the crowds. Even people who are lying on the floor are being mercilessly beaten by the police.